Wix Premium Plan Explained. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you all about Wix Premium Plan. So whether you're starting a business, promoting a brand, or any other countless reason to consider how to make a website, you know the first step begin with choosing the right website builder. So there are so many plans that Wix has to offer. A different plan has a different utility to it. So like for example, custom domain name, which a domain name is your online address by choosing the custom domain name. So Wix streamline the process of brainstorming unique domain name ideas with a domain name generator and help you select a top level domain extension to protect your brand. So it's a free business tool that you can opt for. And the second one is ad free experience. Ads can make your website look unprofessional and lose a user interest in your sites. Wix Ad, amongst the exclusive website feature, has a ad free website. You can give users an experience that's completely yours. There is other plan called increase storage and bandwidth, which is a Wix premium plan that you can opt for. And there is free ad voucher, and there is a professional logo. If you want to create a professional logo for your website, you should definitely opt for Wix VIP premium plan. So this is all about the Wix premium plan. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.